Setting up a shed outside your home from scratch might be time-consuming and labor-intensive. Sometimes you just need the shed to be there for a particular purpose, but you can't construct a wooden shed and put it down afterwards, right? Well, thanks to QuickShed, that is no longer a problem. The QuickShed is an easy-to-build shed that doesn't require any special skill or complex tools. Everything you need comes in a package, and within 10 minutes, the shed is up. The walls, door, storage spaces, and any other fixture you want in your shed can be easily fitted in. Its standard size is 8 by 10, but if you desire something bigger or smaller, you can make a personal request. The shed has a steel-to-steel frame throughout, which ensures durability. It has a high-strength translucent roof, windows, and a door in the front wall. It also has an adjustable screened vent, and you can lock it from inside or out. Cleaning the shed is not a problem, as the material used is easy to clean. But the best feature is that it can be quickly disassembled for moving, storage, or reuse. Sounds appealing, right? The next is also quite captivating. An inflatable is any object that is inflated with a gas, could be hydrogen, air, helium, or nitrogen, and inflatable furniture is a good example. Furniture is quite important in a home, and sometimes you might not be able to afford the type you desire immediately. Or you might just want to spice up your space or get something unique. Regardless of your reason, inflatable furniture could be a good asset. 1. It is easy to set up. Inflatable stuff is so lightweight, and setup is not a hassle. All you have to do is get the furniture to the desired spots, get a pump, preferably automatic, and in a few minutes the furniture is in place. 2. It's easy to move around. If you decide that you've had enough of the inflatable furniture, you can deflate it within a minute, pack it up, and store it. Nothing too tedious. However, this furniture does have some flaws. If they're not very durable, they will get easily punctured, and they will become useless. In some cases, they don't provide the desired comfort. But there are several inflatable furniture options to choose from, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs. When choosing, ensure you pick one that has the highest durability. In the case of an inflatable table, ensure that it has magnetic pods so that whatever you place on it stays in place. The next invention is so cool. You might be wondering how an outdoor fireplace and easily set up fit in the same sentence. Normally, it shouldn't. Building an outdoor fireplace is hectic, but Bushback has designed an easy-to-set-up outdoor fireplace. This fireplace might require a little heavy lifting, but all the components have been pre-assembled, so you just have to piece them together. The components have all been insulated to ensure all the fire stays within, and you can place the grill on it without any hassle. Overall, it takes an hour or two to set up, unlike the regular ones that might take days. Talking about the outdoors, if you're enjoying gardening, this is for you. Gardening has been made easy due to the existence of raised beds, but these beds might be hard to assemble, hence the reason manufacturers created modular garden beds. The modular garden bed produced by Stratco is particularly very easy to assemble. All the steel panels to be used can be easily snapped together and the screws tightened. In some cases, you might need to make adjustments in terms of the legs of the garden bed, but it doesn't make the assembly any more tedious. However, the most intriguing part of this modular bed is its odd shape. You can easily raise the bed by pulling its corners. Very cool! The next is instant canopies. Setting up a regular canopy is not rigorous, but it's not a one-man job either, so it can't be outrightly called easy. However, Z-Shade decided to do something about that by creating an instant canopy that can be set up in a few minutes. The Z-Shade canopy has a pyramid frame design, which is made up of strong and powder-coated steel that is resistant to rust and corrosion. The canopy's fabric material is also very unique. It's made up of a polyester taffeta vented top with a 190 denier silver coating that provides good UV protection. It might not be suitable for intense weather, but it is durable enough to last a while. Setting up the canopy is very easy. All you have to do is extend its legs and the tent will be in place. The canopy's light weight also contributes to this feature. What further adds to its appeal is that it's portable. You can take it anywhere you want. This is a cool invention. Check out the next. If you have a well in your home, it must be covered. Anything could go wrong with an exposed well. Getting a lid for it might be expensive, as many would recommend an iron lid. But a good option is doing something by yourself. That's why Guardian covers are a good option. The Guardian covers have been pre-assembled, but you might need to make some adjustments to make it better suited for your well. Another good thing about these covers is that they are made of aluminum and polycarbonate, which means it can withstand any weather. Then there's the fact that they're UV infused, ensuring that they won't crack, scratch, or fade over time, which allows them to last as long as required. It's also strong enough to withstand a pileup of debris. The cover might take a little time to set up, but it's quite cost-effective and a very cool invention you could play around with. If this doesn't interest you because you have no wells, the next invention might pique your interest. Large tables are a necessity if you enjoy hosting events, but in most cases you don't have the space to store such a huge table. This is where expandable tables come into the picture. This table is amazing. It increases from 18 to 118 inches by just pulling out the collapsed sides. No, it's not magic. The good thing about this table is that you can extend it to different sizes before it reaches its full capacity. So if you want it only 40 inches long, that's what you'd get. Due to its expandability, you might wonder if it's durable. Well, it is. The manufacturers made sure to use only the best quality. To get one might cost a little more than you'd like, but it's worth every penny. Get one if it's what you need. You won't believe what comes next. Gone are the days when construction required a certain level of expertise. Now anybody can do anything when provided with the right tools. That's why it's no surprise that there are DIY fences. This modular fence from Peak is a good example. The fence provides a unique privacy solution that is assembled quickly and easily. The walls are made from architectural-grade aluminum to make it super strong, and it's covered with matte black powder coat production to enhance its appearance and make it long-lasting. The fence is assembled by putting together pre-combined pieces with the aid of screws. Although it might take a while to set up, it's really dependent on the length of the fence. Fences are no longer a problem, and the same goes for pathways. A temporary walkway might seem like a strange concept, or maybe unnecessary. But picture this. You have an event which you want to host in your backyard. There'd be a lot of foot traffic, and you don't want your precious lawn destroyed. This is where the temporary sidewalks come in. The temporary walkway is a type of movable outdoor flooring that is available in different materials, shapes, and sizes. The most common ones are those made from durable plastics, and the ones produced by Great Mats are a good choice. The mats have several benefits besides protecting grass from foot traffic. It increases accessibility and movability by making paths in areas that might not usually be accessible by foot or vehicle. or it could be used for safety reasons, to cover rocks or cable that might be harmful. This walkway is very easy to install. Once you have decided on the exact spot it's going to go, lay it out and install it. The mats are often like a puzzle with connectors, so you might as well have fun as you set it up. The temporary walkway is cool, but you should check out what we've got next. Ezflow French Drain is a convenient subsurface drainage that could be used in place of the regular stone and pipe drainage, storage and infiltration systems. It is used to manage surface water and protect property. It has different options, and it is perfect for different reasons like foundation and footing perimeter drains, retaining walls, landscape drains, and sports fields. These pipes are filled with gravel, making it easier for liquids to flow through, unlike soil. However, dealing with gravel is no easy task, but to make things a lot less labor-intensive, the manufacturers wrap the pipes in a fabric and a polystyrene shell. The shell makes the pipes a lot lighter, which makes installing drainage easier. Another good thing about Ezflow is that it increases the drainage capacity by about 30%, and the filler promotes structural integrity so it can withstand any weather. As intriguing as the drainage sounds, being able to lay your tiles has a better appeal. These tiles are not only durable, they're very easy to install. You don't need any special tool, just what the company has provided, and you're good to go. These tiles, measuring 12 by 12 inches and weighing about 2 pounds, comes with a snap block attachment that allows you to place the tiles side by side, forming the floor in no time. If it takes days for it to get done, then you're purposely slowing down because it only takes a matter of hours. The compact tiles also come with extra details like being UV stable so they never lose their color. There's a range you can choose from, and bearing a grid to ensure the tiles remain above the floor surface. That particular feature ensures that water is properly drained off. The tiles are definitely cool. The Lazy Hydrojet Pro is the ideal choice for an affordable, movable spa for up to 6 people. It's quick and easy to set up, and you'll enjoy your relaxing hot tub experience without professional installation. The spa's walls are inflatable, and the material used for the walls and beams is durable and puncture-resistant. You don't have to worry about damage. The materials are so good that no matter how many times it's inflated and deflated, the shape remains the same. It also comes with a freeze shield automatic heating system that prevents inner components from freezing at lower temperatures. It also comes with a soothing massage system that helps you relax after a long day. With this invention, there's no need to spend a couple of bucks at the spa. You'd enjoy the spa features in the comfort of your home. This is something everyone should get. So what do you think about all the cool inventions mentioned? Have you ever seen any? Kindly let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video.